Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your earbuds Philips. Firstly, I will show you how to change these settings at your Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS. So maybe you need to check also that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here this located at the bottom. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, scroll down again, and again at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. We just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And you need to find a good balance here. Because if you, let's say, use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. And we just increase the volume for the right earbud. Again, we need to find a good balance here for you, so we need to test it. But lower the volume for the left earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. And then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down. And right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance for you. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, the same, you just move this dot to the left, and again you need to find a good balance, and again we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!